Today, I'll show you how to insert an image in your Gmail email body. If you want a picture to appear inside your message instead of showing only as a normal attachment, Gmail lets you add it directly into the body of the email as an inline image. Google's Gmail help and official support guidance show that this is done from the Compose window by using the image option inside the message editor. To begin, open Gmail and click or tap Compose to start a new message. Then place your cursor exactly where you want the image to appear inside the email body. This part is important because Gmail inserts the image at the location of your cursor, so it helps to type your text first or at least decide where the picture should go before you add it. Official Gmail support discussions describe this as the normal inline image workflow. Now look at the bottom of the Compose window for the Insert Photo or Image icon. Click that icon, choose the image you want to use, and then make sure the image is inserted as inline rather than as a regular attachment. Gmail support guidance shows that when the image selection window opens, choosing the inline option is what places the picture directly inside the email body, so the recipient can see it as part of the message. If you prefer, Gmail also supports dragging a file into the Compose window on desktop, and that can add the image quickly while you're writing. Google's attachment help confirms that files can be dragged directly into the Compose window. Although a normal file attachment and an inline image are not always the same thing, so the insert image method is usually the best choice when you want the picture to appear inside the message itself. One more thing to remember is that this feature is easiest to manage in Gmail on a computer. The web version gives you the clearest controls for placing images inline, while mobile apps may handle pictures more like standard attachments depending on the device and version. Google's official Gmail desktop help also notes the normal 25 megabyte attachment limit, and larger files are handled through Google Drive links instead. And that's how to insert an image in your Gmail email body. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.